Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to be talking about Bark, which is one of the best and most popular parental control services out there. I'll be showing you all the features they offer and how you can use them to keep your child safe online. So if you want to know more about Bark and see if it's suitable for your household, this video is for you. And without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point throughout this video you want to check out and try Bark for yourself, you'll find a useful link including discounts in the description down below to help you save some extra money. Now, what are parental control apps? Well, they're basically software tools that help parents keep an eye on what their kids are doing online, like on social media, gaming, or just browsing the internet. They come with a bunch of features such as filtering out inappropriate content, managing screen time, and even tracking your child's location to make sure they're safe at any given moment. And so these apps can be super helpful in protecting your kids from online dangers like cyberbullying, inappropriate content, and online predators. Plus, they can encourage healthy habits around device usage. And one of the most popular parental control apps out there is Bark. So to get started with Bark, you need to set up an account and install the Bark for Kids app on your child's device, as well as the parental control app on yours. Once installed, it starts tracking the child's activity on various social media platforms, messaging apps, and other online services, including text messages, emails, photos, videos, and much more. Using advanced algorithms, Bark analyzes the activity and alerts parents of any potential risks, such as cyberbullying, violence, or inappropriate content, and offers suggestions on how to address the issue. Now, one of the great things about Bark is that parents can view a lot of data and information about their child's device and online activities on their dashboard. You could see who their child is contacting the most, which apps they're using the most, and the type of content Bark monitored and how much it covered. Now, Bark stands out from other parental control apps because it promotes trust and privacy between parents and their kids. It won't allow you to view all of your child's communications in real time, giving them as much privacy as possible, still keeping them safe. Bark only alerts you of potential risks and sends you a snippet of the encounter, making it easier to have conversations with your children about online safety. And another great feature of Bark is the ability to block and filter internet access. With its powerful web filter, parents can choose which sites their child can access and which ones to block. Plus, it allows you to manage your child's screen time by setting which apps can be used during specific periods, or even pausing internet altogether. Bark's coverage is impressive, monitoring over 30+ apps, including popular ones like WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, and Discord. It can even monitor apps like Spotify and send you alerts when your children are listening to explicit or violent content, providing you with the lyrics to check. Bark also allows unlimited devices under the same subscription, and it works on various operating systems, including Android, iOS, and Chromebooks, with browser extensions for Google Chrome and Edge. And for iOS, it updates each time it connects to the same network as the desktop device with the Bark for Parents app installed due to the platform's restrictive privacy settings. Lastly, Bark offers live check-in request feature that lets parents know where their children are if they're out and about. Although it requires requesting an update from your child, it still prioritizes child privacy over spying on them. So how does Bark determine what to monitor? Well, that actually depends on how much you want the app to keep an eye on things. The great thing about Bark is that you can control over the sensitivity of its detection. You can adjust the settings to turn alerts on or off for each category of potential issues for each child. For example, if you have an older child who is more mature, you might choose to give them more freedom to browse content that includes profanity without receiving alerts. However, for children, you can ensure that you are still being notified each time they encounter a potential issue. Bark can flag a wide range of concerning behaviors, including anxiety, depression, self-harm, suicide content, drug or alcohol abuse, and dangerous organization. So with Bark, you can rest assured that your child's online activity is being monitored, and you'll be alerted if anything concerning comes up. Now let's talk about how easy it is to use Bark. The app is generally very user-friendly and intuitive, but it's important to know that it works differently depending on the device you're using. For example, if you want to use Bark on an Android device, you'll need to download the app from their official website as it's not available on the Google Play Store. Additionally, the desktop version of Bark only monitors and backs up iOS devices, so it won't track activity on your child's PC. However, you could still use the browser extensions to keep an eye on what your child is browsing. And when it comes to mobile devices, as I mentioned earlier, Bark has 2 separate apps available for both Android and iOS devices, one for parents and one for the child's device. While both apps are easy to use, it would be great to see Bark create a single app that can serve both purposes. Moving on to customer support. Bark offers various options such as email support, a helpful chatbot, video guides, and more than 100 FAQ articles. I found their email support to be highly professional, knowledgeable, and quick to respond, typically within 1 to 3 hours. On top of that, their extensive FAQ page is very informative and can answer many questions that you may have. The chatbot also provides useful automated responses and links to relative FAQ articles. However, it would be much better if they included a live chat option for more efficient communication. And finally, when it comes to pricing, Bark offers different pricing plans, with the premium cost being $14 per month. If you only need limited monitoring capabilities, you can opt for Bark Junior at $5.99 per month. Now, subscribing for a whole year will save you money in the long term, making Bark Premium cost approximately $100 per year, while Bark Junior costs around $50 per year. When you sign up for Bark, you can receive a 7-day free trial, but you must provide your payment information first. You can cancel your subscription at any time by adjusting your app subscription settings. So to sum it up, if you're a parent who wants to keep an eye on what your tweens or teens are doing online, but without being too invasive, Bark is the best option out there. It has the highest number of monitored social media apps in the market, over 30 in fact, and only sends you alerts if something seems concerning. Plus, it's designed to encourage healthy communication within your family. And if you have several kids, Bark is definitely the way to go because it allows you to monitor multiple devices with just one subscription. And that's it for this video. Again, if you'd like to check out Bark for yourself, you'll find all the useful links, including discounts, in the description down below. And feel free to comment down below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video helpful or like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.